Hey everyone, good morning to whoever is watching this in the morning, and selamat sejahtera. I am Muhammad Danish bin Muhammad from class DDT 1D, and my registration number is 01DDT20F1102. So today I am going to talk about differentiation with my three other friends, which is Parasu, Sajirao, and Vimaraj. Okay, so differentiation is really great topic. I enjoy doing differentiating, so I hope you will too. Okay, differentiation. What is differentiation actually? Okay, differentiation is a process of deriving f prime equals to x from fx. Okay, let's just say y prime equals to x from yx. There's three different differentiation techniques, which is product rule, chain rule, and quotient rule. And there's also three different derivatives, which is constant, identify, and power function.
Hi guys, my name is Sajirao and my metric number is 01DDT20F1105. Today I'm going to talk about power rules. Power rules is a function of the form of fx equal x power n. It's called a power function. This include fx equal x where n equal to 1 and radical function theorem 1. Power rule: let y equal x power n be a power function, then y prime equal f prime x equal dy dx equal nx power n negative 1. Hello guys, here I have two examples. Before we go into example, I have a formula for power rule. So power rules, we have to use x power n. So when you changing to power rules, when it's considered as f prime x is equal to, you have to bring down your n to down. So you get nx. So remember the power you should minus 1 every single time. So let's apply this formula inside this question. So here we have fx equal x power 5. So let's rewrite fx equal x power 5. So here, so we have to write, so f prime x equal, as you can see, this is the x, this is the n, as you can see from here. So what we have to do is we have to rewrite the n at the front. So 5, and then rewrite the back x. So this power we always have to minus with now negative 1. So as you can see here, negative 1. So 5 minus 1, you will get 4. So this is the answer for this example 1. So example 2, it's a bit of complicated situation here. So fx cube root x. So we write the formula fx equal to, so x power 1 over 3, because cube root which change to power is 1 over 3. So f prime x equal to 1 over 3 x. 1 over 3 minus 1, you will get negative 2 over 3. So 2 over 3, yeah. So we get 1 over 3 x power negative 2 over 3. So we can still simplify this one. As you can see, f prime x equal 1 over 3. So this is 3, right? So it's cube root x square. So this is the final form for this, and this is final form for this. So here are two examples for power law.
My name is Vimalraj. I'm from class DDT1D. My matrix number is 01DDT 20F1096. So I'm gonna talk about the constant multiple properties today, which is a second theorem. Let y equals to fx equals to kux in bracket will be the constant is the k times a function which is u bracket is x, then y prime equals which is a y prime equals to fx prime fx prime equals to k constant equals to u prime bracket x. Inwards, the derivative of a constant times a function is the constant times the derivative of the function. So now I'm gonna give an example for differentiate fx equals to 7x power of 4. So the solution applied is the constant multiple properties and the power rule, which is fx prime equals to 7 times 4x cubed equals to 28x cubed. So now I'm gonna show the working of this.
Gonna give the working for the example just now. So example of constant multiple property. So we write the question first. So the question is fx equals to 7x power of 4. So after that we write the formula. The formula is f prime bracket x equals to constant times derivative prime x. So now we need to use the formula to differentiate using the constant multiple property. Firstly, we need to write fx prime equal bracket x function equals to the constant is 7, so we need to times with 4x cubed, which is already differentiate. So the answer is 28x cubed. That's all.
Hi guys, my name is Patsraman Pillai. My matrix number is 01DDT20F. I'm from class DD1D. Today I'm going to talk about differentiation. Well, I enjoy learning differentiation. In differentiation, I would like to talk about the sum and different properties. In words, we can say that the derivative of the sum of the two differentiable function is the sum of the derivative. To do this, you need to know the rules first. So let's go. So here are some example of the sum of derivative one. So first, like I said, you need to know the rules. So the rules are, we can say like fx is equal to gx plus minus hx. So for this, you need to do the derivative of fx prime is equal to gx prime plus minus hx prime. So this is the rules, and here are the example. You can say like here we have x5 plus 4 x4 minus 7. So when you do for f prime x, it will, you have to times this 5 must bring here, and the 4, how you get 4? 5 you have to minus with 1. So I can say like you have to do like times and take. It will be easy, like you times and then you take here 1. Same goes to here. The 4 you times in front, and 4 you have to minus 1, and this we have nothing here, so you have to put 0 because we just have x and anything, so it will be 0. So the f prime x will be 5x4 plus 4x. The second example also the same. You have to do the same method, and here this one we can say as a constant, so it will be 1. For example 3, we have a bunch of differentiation here, the question. So you have to prime. If you fx prime, you will get 15x4 plus 4x3 minus 6x2 and 10, and here will be 7. And here the 0, as I say like this now, it will be, we can also put as 0 or not, you can also just ignore it. That's it.
So I'm going to show you one example for each derivative. Alright, so here are the examples of the 3 different derivative, which is constant, identified, and power function. Okay, let's see here. This is the easiest one lah. So let's just say y equals to a, get y prime equals to 0. Okay, for identify, this y equals to square root 20x, and the answer for y prime is square root 20. Alright, let's go for the power function. Okay, let's take okay, this one, the first one. Okay, the y equals to 3x squared, so the y prime answer is 3 times 2, because the power of this x is square, which is 2, so must times 2, x at 2 minus 1, because that's a formula, and you get y primes equals to 6x. Alright, thank you.
To conclude the video, so we learned 3 things in differentiation. Differentiation, we learn about power rules, constant, and some and different properties in differentiation. So thank you for watching this video, guys.